Welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video I want to show you guys how you can withdraw from your Nigeria PayPal account. We all know that Nigeria isn't in Nigeria, right? So but recently it has come back, so I want to show you guys how I was able to withdraw from my Nigeria account to my local bank account. All right, so this is my PayPal account, as you can see right here. This is $9.19, right? So I received some funds into my PayPal account. So mind you, this PayPal is a business PayPal, right? It's a business PayPal, not a personal Nigerian PayPal account. Okay, so the money was held on my PayPal, right? It was held for 21 days before they released this money you are seeing, because I wanted to test out how it works. I could have dropped this video for a long time, but let's say let me drop it. So this account is literally easy to create, but I have a business name, so I just put in my business name there, create my business account, and create an account. So now you will need this app for you to be able to withdraw from the Nigerian PayPal account. Okay, you will need this app called Paga, right? When you go to your Play Store, just search for it. It's called Paga. So what Paga did was that they partner with PayPal, right? Partner with PayPal, so they can be able to withdraw money from PayPal to Nigeria. Though it's not that stable. Okay, it's not that stable because of the holding of money for 21 days just to test out how this thing works. Okay, so you sign up. When you sign up, here's how the interface looks like. Okay, so just make sure you create your account, use your document to verify. After verify, tap on that place, you see PayPal account right there. Okay, you see PayPal account, just tap on the PayPal account. Okay, so let's tap on it. So you will see my PayPal balance right here. Okay, because I connected my PayPal to the app, so the same amount of my PayPal will be showing right here. Okay, the same amount will be showing right here. So I will click on withdraw to my Nigerian bank account. All right, so put in the balance, right? So right here, as you can see, I will be receiving 12,274 naira, right? That's the rate of $9 as for them, because they reduced the rate as I was saying. So let me withdraw it. Let's see how it goes. So now it is withdraw, right? So your funds are on the way. So let's see how it goes. So you will see my funds right now. So as you can see, I've made the withdrawal. Okay, I've made the withdrawal. Okay, going back to my Nigerian PayPal account, my Nigerian bank account, you can see right here, this is the balance, right? It has been converted into Naira. So I'm going to put my bank account right here. Okay, so I'll just withdraw my money ASAP. Okay, I'll withdraw my money ASAP. Let me put this amount right there, but they charge high, right? They charge up to like 17 naira just for one transaction. So the fact here is that I was able to withdraw my money right from PayPal, because it's not available last year. It's not available like that. So this is massive, guys. So you guys can go try it out for yourself, see how it works, and make sure you let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Okay, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Comment under this video, like this video, share this video to someone in need. Okay, so they can know Nigerian PayPal is working, though it doesn't work for everything. Okay, it doesn't work for everything, so you can't receive money from your survey account into it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.